In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a business loan with bad credit in the UK. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I start, I want to make a disclaimer and say that in this video, I'm gonna go over different business loan plans that you can find for the UK that might help you if you are having issues with bad credit. With that out of the way, I also want to say that sadly, the best way to actually get approved for these is to simply give it some time and improve your credit score. I know that takes a while, but there is no workaround to this, and having an okay credit score will make it so it's much easier to get applied for any loans that you apply for. With those two warnings out of the way, as you can see, Gov.uk, Startup Loans, and Barclays all offer business loans. You should be able to find the information page when you go to the bank website for these respective banks and you look for business loans. As you can see, they all have different requirements and features, and you should go ahead and see which one you think is best for you. You will be able to apply online on their page, as you can see when you click start now or see if you are eligible, and as long as you follow the steps presented on screen by answering questions and knowing what type of person you are, you will be able to get a response on whether or not you were approved. Like I said in the beginning, most banks will reject you straight off if you have bad credit score. So it might be in best interest to simply wait and improve your credit score a bit. However, you are free to apply whenever you'd like as long as you go through this process online over here. If you need additional help, you could also consider going to a branch if the bank has one and including details about your current situation and why you need the loan. As long as you are honest and you describe your issue in full, including all the contact information for your profile, you will be able to get a response. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a business loan with bad credit in the UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.